need to ask it this way. If you give me understanding, I will spend the rest of my life helping other people learn it too. And as long as you give me my mental faculties and my ability to do so, I will do that. And I made it about other people, not just me. And then, yes, I started hearing, look here, look here, look here. I would have a question that would pop in my head that I didn't know where it came from. Why would the market stop here? Why would it do this? Why would it do that? And then I would hear audibly, look here. Now that sounds crazy, doesn't it? It sounds absolutely crazy. But look at what I'm able to show in price action. There's no books teaching that. There's no books telling you that stuff. And it repeats over and over and over again. So I listened, I took notes, and I took direction. And there it is. Sometimes I didn't hear things audibly. Sometimes I just felt an unction. Like I felt like it was pressuring me to look at this and don't look so much at that. I'm wasting time. Stop doing that. Go over here and spend time looking at this. And because I was by myself, I poured myself into this, and I was doing it for something above and beyond just me. I'm of the belief that he listened. What else should I be able to attribute it to? Because I worked real hard studying, and that didn't do it for me. I spent a lot of money, a lot of time, and none of that stuff worked for me. But when I said, I'm at my wit's end, like I'm done trying it like this. I don't have any answer for it. If you help me, I will spend the rest of my life helping other people. And in a lot of ways, it's like a ministry. And I'm not a poster child for Christianity. I'm not a poster child for wholesomeness. I make mistakes. Sometimes I say words I'm not proud of. I am not perfect. I sin every single day. And I ask for forgiveness every single day.